I'm about to show you 3 simple content marketing hacks that you can implement in your business for free today using private label rights content, which I refer to as PLR, and AI writing software. My name's Alex Tucker. I'm a digital marketer at Lover Fighter Writer. And in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating 3 different types of software as well as a PLR website. All of these have forever free accounts, so you can get in and use a limited subset of the features, although most of them have really good free tier accounts. I've got affiliate links for each of the websites in the description. I would really appreciate if you use those if you're going to sign up. And if you want to learn more about any of these tools, I recommend searching my channel because I have several tutorials for most of them. All right, so if you do any content marketing, you're probably aware that it can be very time intensive. Content marketing, of course, means creating content such as social media posts, blogs, videos, and using those to organically attract and engage your ideal customers or audience. And the great thing about content marketing is that you can do it on a $0 budget. You can do it just using your own time and some of the free software that I'm going to show you. However, it is quite time consuming. And with pretty much all of the social media platforms really squeezing for advertising dollars, organic content marketing is very difficult to do successfully. But even if it's not going to be your main way of attracting clients, it's definitely good to have a social media presence with some content that you're putting out regularly, because while it may not attract a ton of eyeballs, some of the people who are interested in working with you will become much more interested in working with you once they've consumed your content. All right, the first content marketing hack for this video, we're going to take a simple PLR article and either dive deep or expand upon the content in order to turn one article into many pieces of content. And this is PLR ME. It's my favorite PLR website. And I have a special deal with them where if you sign up for your account using my affiliate link, you get 10 free credits, which is more than enough to get a couple PLR articles. So if you need some PLR, make sure that you sign up for a free account here using my link and you'll get some credits. And I already pulled up a PLR article here. It's a simple little action guide designed to help the reader build their confidence. And so we're going to take one little slice of it and we're going to dive deep into that slice, and then we're going to expand upon it. And I actually already got started on this. So the program we're looking at right now is called Writer. That's RYTR. You can use my affiliate link down in the description to sign up for a free account here, which I think allows you to write 3,000 or maybe 5,000 words a month for free. And Writer is actually one of the least expensive AI writers out there. I think their first paid plan is like $9 a month or something. So if you're looking for a good, versatile AI writer, then you can definitely get started with Writer. And so the first step that I did here is I did the deep dive. So the part of the article that I decided to work with is give yourself a pep talk. And so I opened up my chat interface here in Writer and I said, list 10 ways to practice positive self-talk, because giving yourself a pep talk is a type of positive self-talk, but there are other types. So I said, list 10 ways of doing that. And it gave me a list of 10 ways. The last 2 are not nearly as good as the first 8, but it's pretty good overall. So then I followed that command up with write a script for a 1-minute inspirational video that mentions the first 8 methods listed above with a short explanation of each and a kick-ass outro. And then it wrote me what was actually a pretty decent script, but it included these like stage directions for what the video should be doing. And I didn't want that. So then I just said, please rewrite the above with audio text only, no direction for the video content. And then it gave me just the script. And so now I just turned a subheading from this article, which has like 5 subheadings in it, into this entire list of ideas and this entire script. So I took one line of text from a piece of PLR and I turned it into a video script, only using free software and free resources. But I can go a lot further than that. So for example, I can come back up here and maybe I want to go with the celebrate small wins idea. So I'm just going to copy that and then I'll say something like write an Instagram post explaining a step-by-step process for creating a daily habit to celebrate small wins. And so it gave me a little post here. It's got a little 5-step process, set reminders, keep a wins journal, savor the moment, share with loved ones, and reward yourself. And then it's even thrown in some hashtags. And as I did above, I can easily use additional commands to get it to rewrite or alter that in order to make it more specific to what I'm looking for. And so that is basically the deep dive and expand method. You can take a single line of text from a PLR article, and with a few commands in an AI writer like this, you can either expand that single piece of text into an entire article, or you can get really granular with it and break it down into its components in order to create more content ideas. The second content marketing hack that I have for you today is creating multiple different types of content with one idea. So you've probably noticed that video is very popular on social media these days, and even image posts tend to get a lot more reach than plain text posts. There are some exceptions to that. For example, on LinkedIn and on Twitter, text posts can still do fairly well. But generally speaking, having a variety of content types is very important if you want to reach a wider audience. And so now I'm going to show you two tools that you can use to really easily create image and video content. So the first one is called InVideo, and I'm just going to copy my script here and then hop over to my InVideo tab. And InVideo is a browser-based video creation platform. It's designed specifically for creating marketing content. And so over here in the left menu, I went to AI text to video, which is a specific tool that they have where you can just take a script and turn it into a video. And so now I need to select a template. I've got a whole bunch to choose from, and I think I'll go with this one because it'll probably work well. And I can choose between the different types of video. I think I would like to use portrait. And so now I just need to say, use template, and I can paste my script in here. I guess we'll call this the positive self-talk process. And so I've got my video text in here, and I'm just going to leave this on so that it'll auto-suggest content, and I can just replace it if I want to. And if I had a specific URL that I wanted it to draw inspiration from, or if I had specific media that I wanted it to use, I could do that here, but I don't really have anything like that, so I'll just hit next. And so now it's populated my content into this video template and selected a bunch of images that it think might be relevant. And now it has populated my content into that template. It doesn't always do a great job of that, but that's okay because it's easy to swap it out. And one of the coolest things about InVideo is that you can actually create an AI voiceover. So I can just go to voiceover and select automated text to speech, and that should be fine. So we'll just generate the voiceover and take a little listen to this.
The positive self-talk process.
And that sounds fine. So I can just check add automated voiceover to all scenes and hit this button. And generating the voiceover actually takes a while. So I'm going to skip over to Vistacreate, which is this tool right here. But if you want to learn more about InVideo, I do have a couple tutorials for it on the channel. And I've got an affiliate link for it where you can sign up for a free trial account. And so Vistacreate is kind of like a browser-based version of Photoshop. It's fairly similar to Canva if you're familiar with that. And it's specifically designed for creating social media posts, including both images and videos. Now, for making longer, more complex videos, it's not as handy as InVideo. However, for making really short videos or like little video GIFs, it's actually quite handy. And you can see there's all these different types of things that I've created recently right here. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, there's all these really nice templates that you can use in order to get started on your content. And so if I wanted to create an Instagram post, I could look at some of these. This one has a nice simple layout that will be easy to adapt. So I'm going to go with that. And then I can really quickly apply my brand styles just by going here and then selecting the brand kit that I want to use and then clicking there. And I can just tap that. And I like that configuration. I can delete this thing and search their photos for something that I might want to use, and I can adjust the text very easily. They have a mobile app, so you can actually do this on your phone, and I have a tutorial for the desktop app and a tutorial for the mobile app on this channel, so you can check those out if you want. And as I mentioned, it has a free for life account, so you don't have to pay for it until you're ready to. And you can find my affiliate link for this one in the description as well. And the third and final content marketing hack for today is going to be all about using AI writing to answer and expand upon questions that get asked in online communities. So I actually did this at the very top here. And one of the best places to find clients and customers for a lot of online businesses is in communities such as Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and subreddits. And so I just asked the AI writer to provide a few examples of these types of groups, and it came up with some pretty good ones like Discord servers, meetup groups, industry-specific forums, Slack communities, Clubhouse rooms, Twitter Spaces would be another one. There's lots of places to meet people online. And one of the ways that I've gotten a lot of clients, particularly in Facebook groups, is just by paying attention to what people are talking about and answering questions when they get asked and creating content based on people's requests and questions and ideas. So for example, one of the questions that I see people ask a lot related to AI writing and online marketing is something like, how does AI writing actually save me time? Or how will AI writing actually help me succeed in my business? So if you see a question being asked in a community, especially if multiple different people are asking the same question over time, then that's an indicator that that's a really good piece of content to create. And depending on the community, you might actually then be able to share that piece of content in the community. And you know it's going to be reaching at least a few people who are going to love having that at that exact moment. And again, I've gotten some big clients doing this, and sometimes it's not even the person whose question you answer. A lot of the time you answer one person's question, and then someone else reaches out to you and says, hey, I really like the way that you helped that person. Can you help me with this? And they might just have a question that you can answer quickly, or they might have a request that requires a service that you would charge them for. And so if you're seeing a question get asked often, such as, how can AI writing software actually help me get more customers, then we can use a command like this: list 10 topic ideas for short video content related to, and now I've got a bunch of ideas for different content, for different pieces of content. And so if I saw someone ask that question in a group, I would probably just immediately answer the question, but then over the next week, I could create a few pieces of content that go into more detail on that topic and share them in that group or share them directly with that person. I could go back to that thread and post it as another reply, or I could direct message them and say, hey, I was thinking about that question you asked, and so I made this. And people really like that kind of thing. It shows that you actually care about what they need. It shows that you understand what they're going through, and it makes them more likely to want to work with you instead of the many other options that they could choose from. So let me know if those content marketing hacks are helpful. Again, there are affiliate links for all 3 software platforms that I showed and the PLR website. Lots of free resources to be had there. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.